Hi guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Now we are going to do experiment number 30, which is crazy good. For that, we need water, then we need boric acid and glue. After that, we need to pour water in the bowl. After that, you need to put the glue and then mix it. After like 1 or 2 minutes after mixing, put the boric acid or borax. Then keep mixing again, and after some time you will see a crazy putty. And remember that you need to put 1 tablespoon of borax. This is how the putty will be. You can make it into any shape you want. Again, then you see. It looks like this. And you can also make it into any shape you want. And also, this can be a little ball. After some time, this will get dry. But it looks like a ball which you can make into any shape you want. Like this, see? It's turning into any shape. So again, bye.